Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This cutting machine for the vegetables, and the model is countertop stylings. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's length, entire length is about like 20 inches. And the overall height is about like 20 inches. And the length of the units, they are about like 9.5 inches wide. So we can easily to see they have a handlebars at the front, and you can put all the vegetables right here and push hard in. And there is a security locks. You can screws down to secure the top. And we also can take a look closer to see the inner side of the units. So this unit we can flip up to open it, and we see they do have a spinning pans right here. This is a cutter. Diameter is about like 8 inches. And as we can see from the manufacturers, they give you a couple options, and we can just simply pull it up. And at the bottom right here, the place, you can clean it, and also you can put a swapping units on top of it. And we do also, coming from the manufacturers, giving another 4 extra different styling pans to cut in the different shape of the vegetables. And also let me turn around the units to show you the behinds of it. From the back, we can see they have a controller on the side, powers, and the stops. And at the bottom, we can see all the cut sheets informations, and also they do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it. From the manufacturers, they offer the standard 110 plugs for this one. This will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.